In this video, I'll guide you through how to block emails on Gmail. If you're tired of seeing messages from a particular sender and you don't want them cluttering up your inbox anymore, this quick tutorial will show you exactly what to do step by step. First, open Gmail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look for a message from the sender you want to block. Blocking works on a per sender basis, so you'll need at least one email from them already in your inbox, your spam folder, or another folder. Find that email and click on it so it opens fully on your screen. With the email open, take a look at the top right area of the message. Next to the reply button and the timestamp, you'll see an icon that looks like three vertical dots. This is the More menu, and it contains several additional options for managing the email. Move your cursor over those three dots and click on them to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a list of actions you can take on this message. Carefully scan down the options until you find the one that says block, followed by the sender's name or email address. This option is specifically designed to stop messages from this sender from reaching your main inbox in the future. Click on block. At this point, Gmail may show you a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to block this sender. This is just to make sure you don't tap it by accident. Confirm your choice. Once you confirm, Gmail will automatically route future messages from this sender away from your primary inbox, typically sending them directly to your spam folder. From now on, any new email from that specific address will be treated as unwanted, so you won't see it mixed in with your normal messages. This can really help clean up your inbox and reduce distractions, especially if the sender is consistently sending content you're not interested in. If you ever change your mind, you're not locked in permanently. You can open another email from that sender, click the same three-dot More menu, and you'll see an option to unblock them. Selecting that will allow their messages to start appearing in your inbox again. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you use this feature. Blocking is best for individual senders that you really don't want to hear from. It's different from unsubscribing, which you'll usually find as a link at the bottom of newsletters or marketing emails. Unsubscribing tells the sender to stop emailing you altogether, which is ideal for genuine mailing lists you simply don't need anymore. Blocking, on the other hand, is more of a personal filter on your account, useful when you don't trust the sender or when unsubscribing isn't available or doesn't work. Also, remember that blocking doesn't delete old emails from that sender automatically. Anything they've sent in the past will still be there unless you choose to delete it yourself, and that's all you need to do. By opening an email from the sender, clicking the three-dot More menu, and selecting block, you can quickly stop unwanted messages from cluttering your Gmail inbox.